Mom, Dad, do you know what happened at school? Hmm? Tell me, what is it? I am working. Tell me, what is it? One of my friends said that some company called her mother and said that they will give her a lot of money if only she gives them her phone number, bank details, house address, her birth certificate, her voter ID card, and all of her life details. What happened after that? They asked her mother to meet with all the details and all the papers at the nearest park, and they cannot find her mother after that.